Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. We're glad you're here because today we've got another trio of amazing animals for you. So stick around, let's get started. Today we introduce you to the creature that somehow managed to move, eat and survive just fine in the wild without even having a brain. Yeah, I'm pretty sure some of you just thought, wait, I know someone like that. Well, you might, but today we're not talking about them. Instead, meet another one bizarre animal from the ocean's floor, the basket star, also known as Uralina. And yes, its limbs looks like little tiny tree branches. In general, basket star are a whole class of the marine invertebrates with over 2000 species. As you can imagine, they all look pretty wild, but today we'll focus on just one of them. So these weirdos have 5-way symmetry, their body are star-shaped, but unlike starfish they've got long, thin, highly flexible arms that are clearly separate from the central disc. Honestly, they kinda look like an alien tentacles to me. They hunt by spreading their branch-like arms, basically turning themselves into the living trap. Anything that drifts by, from plankton to tiny crustaceans, can get caught and then passed down to the mouth, which is located underneath, right to the center of the body. And the craziest part? All of this is controlled without a brain, just one simple nerve. The bearded vulture, also known as the llama-glare, is a large bird of prey from the hawk family. And besides its size and intimidating look, it has one seriously wild ability. This is the only one bird in the world that eats bones. Yeah, you heard it right. This bird swallows whole bones. I didn't know how about you, but for me the diet is honestly just mind-blowing. Unlike the other scavengers, the bearded vulture mostly goes for bones, leaving the meat and the organs from the other predators. It can swallow them whole thanks to the powerful jaws and the massive stomach. And what if the bones is too big? Not a problem. It carries the large bones up into the air and drops them into the rocks to smash them into the smaller pieces, then eats those. Yeah, this bird is the definition of brutal. And its size? Also impressive. Wingspan up to 2.5 meters, body weights over 7 kilograms. Honestly, if its wings were just a bit more developed, it'd probably be wearing a black leather jacket and riding the motorcycle. This is Okapi, and honestly, judging by how it looks, it's like nature couldn't decide whether to make giraffe or zebra. So it just said, why not both, and combine them in one animal. They live only in the forest of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. And up until the early 20th century, local people were the only ones who even know they existed. Even today, they're incredibly shy, so spotting one in the wild isn't that something that happens every day. An Okapi is actually a pretty big animal, weighs around 230 kilos and about 2 meters long from the head to tail, and stands roughly 1.5 meters tall. And even though it looks like more zebra, it's actually part of the giraffe family. So yeah, just like a giraffe, Okapi mainly feed on leaves, grabbing them with their long, super flexible dark blue tongue. But they also snack at grass, fence and sometimes even fruits and mushrooms. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, drop the like, leave the comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.